What's up guys, it's Nico here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can pass your FTMO challenge or any other trading challenge, it doesn't have to be FTMO, with a trading bot, alright? So if you're looking to pass your trading challenge with a prop firm using a trading bot, or just you want to pass but you don't really want to do it manually, then this is the video for you, alright? So I'm going to show you a couple examples and I'm going to walk through why trading bots is actually a much better and smarter way to pass your challenge. And yeah, I'll show you right here on the screen. And then at the end, if you want to actually get a hold of the bot that is producing all these results, all the testimonials that I'm showing you right here on the screen, you can do that too. So stick around, be sure to watch all the way to the end, and I'll show you exactly how you can get access to this same trading bot that's getting these results for all of these clients right here. All right. So before we dive into the actual video, I want to show you a couple screenshots of just client results from people who have been using this bot to pass their challenges, right? So here's a screenshot of one of my clients. He says, "Hey Nico, the bot just went for the first full week and I'm up $2,301 on my account." And I think this client has a $100,000 account. So it's about 2.3% in 1 week. And he says, "It's crazy, literally more than my day job." You're the man. So the cool thing about this, and I think if you've been exploring trading bots, you probably already know this, but the cool thing is it's very much passive and automated, right? You don't have to sit there and stare at the charts. You don't have to really know much about trading or anything about trading. And it doesn't require any time on your part once it's set up and running, right? So this client right here has a full-time job, and he was able to make $2,300 in 1 week using this trading bot. And so if you're in a similar situation, like you have a full-time job, or maybe you don't, that's okay. If you want to do this full-time, you definitely can, but a lot of people, they have a full-time job and they want to add another source of income on the side, then trading bots honestly are a great fit for you because they don't require much or any time. Here's another client right here who got a $11,000 payout from FTMO using this trading bot that I'm about to talk about. And again, this can work for any prop firm. It doesn't have to be FTMO, but this client just happened to use FTMO because he lives in a country where it works. If you're in the US, they actually just started accepting US clients again, which is great. But there's plenty of other prop firms that I actually like better than FTMO, just because I've been using them for a long time. Here's another client, and he says something about the risk, or he's asking about the risk settings, but he says, "Today is exactly 2 weeks running of the bot, and last night while I slept, it made $2,160. And then he says $4,036 in 2 weeks. Nice job, Nico. And you can see right here, if we zoom in on the profit, we'll see 4,000, so let me make it bigger, 4,036. And yeah, this was in about 2 weeks of running the challenge. I honestly can't remember how big his account was. Probably 100,000 or 200,000 is what it sounds like. So yeah, again, you can get access to this exact same bot if you want to. The link is down below, or I'll talk more about it towards the end of the video. And then finally, I have another client right here who says, "Hi, I got a $9,290 payout from the FTMO account. Your EA passed and now makes profit on. I can't believe this profit. The payment just arrived in my wallet." And you'll see right here, this was a $9,290 payout, so almost 10 grand. And yeah, I mean, it's pretty amazing. I just get really excited when I see people, and when I see clients use our bot who get a payout for the very first time. Super exciting for me, and I'm always happy to see it. I always screenshot it, and it just makes my day. So if you want to use this exact same bot to pass your challenges and to start generating profits like this, stick around. I'm going to talk through why this is actually the better way to go with your prop firm challenges. And yeah, I'm going to talk about how you can go ahead and get started using the bot. So let me talk through really quickly why this is actually the better way to do it instead of doing manual trading. And the reason why, and I can definitely speak to this because I do manual trading, and I have done manual trading for a while. I've passed prop firm challenges with it, and now that I do bot trading, I very rarely do manual trading. Maybe I'll take like 1 to 3 trades a week just for fun and just if there happens to be a good opportunity. But honestly, other than that, like, there's no need anymore because, you know, the bot is doing a way better job than I could, quite honestly. And the reason for that is because, you know, if you have done manual trading or if you've tried it, you know it can be very emotionally taxing. And your equity curve probably looks something like this, right? Like you'll go up a little bit and you'll lose one, you'll go up a little bit, you'll lose a couple maybe. And then overall, you know, in general, most traders, 98% of traders, they are unprofitable, which means they'll lose money in the long run. So your equity curve is over time probably just going to look like this, and to the point where you actually fail your funded challenge, right? And then you just gave up that money that you paid to the prop firm. The reason is because, you know, as humans, we can't turn off emotion. It's just impossible, right? You're just always going to be emotional. When you see the money going up and down, you're just going to start to feel some sort of emotion. It's just, there's almost no way to turn it off, all right? Even pro traders who are very profitable can't turn it completely off, right? It's just like, that's just who we are. It's wired into us. Now, if you are wanting to escape that and you're wanting to pass your challenge, there is a much better way that you can do that. And this is using a trading robot. So the reason why this is better is because the robot has no emotion, right? It just follows a strict set of rules no matter what. And it'll execute trades on autopilot for you, all right? And also, even better, it's working 24/7. My robot generally is done for the day before I even wake up. So I'll see, you know, a couple $1,000s per account, and I have a bunch of accounts, so it's making really good money. I'll put more videos down below so you can verify that, and you can actually see it working in action. This video is more just a slideshow, but again, I have plenty of other videos down below where you can actually see the robot moving and taking trades in real time, and you can see the MetaTrader platform. So yeah, I mean, the reality is it's just such a better life. You don't have to go through the emotional stress and the emotional turmoil of taking manual trades. You don't have to do the hours of analysis only to end up losing the trade and just tell yourself, wow, if I had literally not wasted 5 hours of time doing analysis, I would still have more money. That's crazy, right? Like, it's just, yeah, it's rough out there. And if you're a manual trader, you know, it's not fun. It's a big challenge, and this is why trading bots are far superior. But again, you know, they're working 24/7 for you, so it's a passive automated source of income. Yeah, you might have to check on it, you know, 5-10 minutes a week or 5-10 minutes a day, but that's far better than doing 3 or 4 hours of analysis a day. So it's essentially passive. And yeah, that's pretty much why it's so much better. And so now you can finally stop failing your prop firm challenges. You can get payouts like the clients that I showed you before, and it's all from using automated trading bots. Now, if you want to actually use our automated trading bot, we offer a service. The link to this form is down below, by the way. So you can click the link down below, you can check this out, and you can fill out an application. But we actually offer a service where we will run our trading bot on a prop firm account for you, and you'll be able to unlock instant prop firm funding without even lifting a finger, all right? So we pass it for you safely, fast, and stress-free, which means there's no charts for you, no sleepless nights, no blown accounts, just a tiny one-time fee, and then you walk away with a funded account. And yeah, keep the profits. So basically, here's a couple examples, here's a couple screenshots. Again, I'm not going to walk through this whole form because the link is down below, but we have a bunch of people, like I already showed you, that have been using this to generate essentially a full-time income or even more, which is honestly crazy, but you know, times are changing. This is the way to go. This is the way forward, 100%. And yeah, so go ahead, fill out this form if you want to be one of the lucky few. I do not accept everybody. In fact, we've actually been getting so many people applying lately that I'm having to start to turn people away. So yeah, at a certain point, I'm going to have to change something about this, just maybe only accept people once a month or something like that. But for right now, you can still go ahead and apply at the link down below if you're interested. And yeah, again, this has changed people's lives, and it could definitely change your life too if you end up moving forward and using the trading bot on your prop firm accounts. All right, this has been Nico Moreno. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this was insightful for you. And please leave the video a like if you enjoyed it, and I will see you on the next one.